Shree Ganesh Pharmatech proudly presents its advanced servo-make bottle liquid filling machine, engineered with precision to meet the evolving demands of the pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food industries. Designed for accuracy, efficiency, and reliability, this machine utilizes servo technology to ensure consistent and high-speed filling with minimal wastage. Built with stainless steel and GMP-compliant features, it is ideal for both low and high viscosity liquids, offering versatility across a range of bottle sizes. With user-friendly controls, high automation, and a compact footprint, our filling machine is the perfect solution for modern manufacturing lines. The servo-make bottle liquid filling machine by Shree Ganesh Pharmatech is a state-of-the-art solution designed for precision, efficiency, and versatility in liquid packaging. Ideal for industries such as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food and beverages, and chemicals, this machine utilizes advanced servo motor technology to ensure highly accurate and consistent filling across a wide range of container sizes and liquid viscosities. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel and fully compliant with GMP standards, the machine is engineered for long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. Its user-friendly PLC-based control panel with a touchscreen HMI interface allows for effortless operation, recipe storage, and real-time monitoring. Whether it's water, syrup, oil, juice, lotion, or any other liquid, the servo-driven system offers drip-free filling and adjustable speed controls to meet various production requirements. Available in multiple head configurations, the system can be seamlessly integrated into existing production lines, with options for automatic bottle feeding, capping, and labeling. Shree Ganesh Pharmatech is a trusted name in the field of pharmaceutical and packaging machinery, offering innovative and reliable solutions to meet the dynamic needs of modern manufacturing. Our servo-make bottle liquid filling machine is designed for high precision, high-speed, and hygienic liquid filling, suitable for industries including pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food and beverages, and chemicals. Equipped with advanced servo-driven technology, this machine ensures accurate dosing, drip-free operation, and easy adjustment for various bottle sizes and liquid viscosities. With a strong focus on quality, performance, and customer satisfaction, Shree Ganesh Pharmatech is committed to delivering machines that boost productivity and ensure compliance with GMP standards. Get in touch with us, Shree Ganesh Pharmatech, manufacturers of pharmaceutical and packaging machinery. Email, shreeganeshpharmatech@gmail.com. Web, pharmaceuticalsmachines.com.